Hey guys, my name is Daniel and today I'll talk about expenses associated with trading. Every trader needs to bear some trading costs for accessing the services of a brokerage firm. Forex brokers implement several types of charges and fees on trading to generate revenue. The trading cost is entirely dependent on the brokerage firm's policies and the type of account you choose for trading. Some brokers implement hidden charges as well for their services to enhance their profit. However, reputable brokers like UITFX maintain full transparency related to charges with traders. Let's talk about some trading charges that are generally implemented by each Forex broker. Spread. The spread is the difference between the bid and ask price of a currency pair. The bid is the selling price, and the ask is the buying price. Brokers provide an ask price higher and a bid price lower than the market price. This difference between the market price and the offered price could vary from broker to broker. The spread is the key component of earnings for a brokerage firm. Commission. Generally, in ECN technology, brokers charge a commission in some accounts instead of a spread. Some brokers charge a commission in addition to the spread as well. However, UITFX charges either spread or commission. Commission is a fixed amount charged per standard lot traded. Swap is also known as rollover fees. In the 24-hour Forex market, if a trader keeps a position open even after the end of the trading day, they may incur some charges from the brokerage firm to hold their position overnight. It is a differential interest rate between two currency pairs. Deposit and withdrawal fees. Some brokerage firms impose deposit or withdrawal fees on your trading account, and these fees may vary depending on the payment method you use for deposit or withdrawal. Currency conversion rate. If you're trading with a broker in a currency different from your account's base currency, you may incur currency conversion fees when depositing or withdrawing funds. Platform fees. UITFX provides a trading platform for free. However, some brokerage firms charge a certain amount for the usage of a trading platform. Other hidden charges. Many brokerage firms impose a variety of hidden charges, such as order execution fees, data feed fees, overnight financing costs, and many more. In conclusion, it's crucial for traders to carefully review a broker's fee structure before opening an account and consider how these charges might impact their trading strategy and profitability. Different brokers have different fee structures, so it's important to compare options and choose one that aligns with your trading style and financial goals. UITFX charges the least trading cost and does not impose any platform fees, deposit/withdrawal fees, or other hidden charges.